Okay, so before we start today's episode, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Lush Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it's also important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you are settled in like we are and drinking responsibly. With that said, let's lush on together. We are back.
Back again.
Shady's back.
Tell a friend.
Yes, yes indeed. We are here not with Shady, but with Loretta's Punch. Loretta.
These females have really
We've dealt with
taken us out.
We've dealt with Lolita. And now we're here at Loretta. So I'm a little nervous, especially when you see everything that's in here. So, okay, for full disclosure, obviously due to our other location, I had to pre-make this, okay?
I mean, she might have went heavy-handed on it. She could have went.
I actually didn't because of how much different stuff was in here.
Which,
So I kept to the measurement.
bless your heart.
I did.
Bless
okay?
your heart.
But let's just go over what's in here.
Okay.
Everclear.
Which
Kinky Pink.
Ooh, she's kinky. She's a very kinky girl. All right, sorry.
Lime juice.
Okay.
Lemon juice.
Both.
White rum.
Which,
Hawaiian punch. A lemon wedge as garnish.
Oh,
and
how festive.
before we start, we will also sugar the rims of our vessels of delight.
Sugaring the rim. Okay. Pause it.
Yeah. But before we do that, because I've never had Kinky Pink, well,
You know, vodka bottles, they always tend to look lovely. And they look like they're so elegant. But it's vodka at the end of the day.
I mean, I like vodka, so if you don't want it, I mean, I might take it. But I gotta say, I'm assuming it's like strawberry lemonade vodka.
I want to get the Kinky Blue though.
Right, I've heard about that one. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Hold up. Crafted with super premium vodka, distilled 5 times. Enjoy Kinky Pink on its own, or shake things up with pineapple juice, vodka, tequila, or sparkling wine. Why would I do that?
So good it's naughty. Listen.
Why would I do that? Why would I do that? Tequila and vodka, maybe wine with it. Why would I do that?
Let's just
Pray. Okay.
All right, you're gonna have to tilt this a little bit.
Tilt.
Okay.
Tilt.
So this is just some simple syrup so that we can put some sugar around the rim of our glass. If you don't want sugar, you don't like sugar, you can bypass this whole step. Okay?
Do as you please. Proceed with caution. I think I got it.
I guess maybe the back half of my glass, I didn't get that, so I just won't sip that part. That's fine. There's a little bit of trepidation with this one because it's got Everclear in it. And listen, back in the day, in grad school days, my friend Vanessa, I'm gonna tag you in this. We used to throw some pretty darn good parties that involved our version of jungle juice. And whenever we put the Everclear in, it bubbled. So Everclear always makes me a little bit nervous. So I'm gonna just pour.
It made you nervous?
The Everclear? Yes, it did.
I don't know how I'm feeling about this. Looks pretty.
It does. I'm gonna grab a lemon for garnish. Again.
Oh.
That's fine. I put a little bit less in mine. Not because I'm not gonna drink what's in my cup, but you know.
Which
Put that like that. Okay.
Oh, lemon.
Yeah.
I don't need a little. I need a little scrawny one. There we go. We'll just take this one right.
Yeah.
Up finger.
Okay.
Okay. It's on.
Okay, I'm gonna clean this up later, child. I ain't gonna do it. You know what? I'm gonna just cause whatever. So now I messed up the rim there. Anyway.
Cute though.
Yes. It's promising. Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, sorry. The fruits that are in here: orange, strawberry. Okay.
What else in the blender? That's it?
That was it.
Oh, got it.
I just forgot the fruits that I put in there. Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Gotta lick this rim around my mouth. Yeah.
Well. Oh, I think I got the Everclear. Oh.
So
Is it hot in here?
Cameraman, cue the music. Rich baby daddy.
Bend that ass over, let that coochie breathe. Shake that ass, bitch. Hands on your knees.
Anyway, this is good. This is refreshing. But at the same time, you can still taste the liquor. It's not like super duper fruity as you would think because you have the Hawaiian Punch. Look at the Kinky Pink and it looks all fruity patootie. You can still taste your liquor, but you got the hint of the strawberry, the orange, whatever. It's a little tart. But overall, it's still a great drink. I see why sometimes people add sugar in the cocktail.
I think I would have if I had
just
known.
a little bit.
Yeah. Or at least some simple syrup or something.
Some. But overall, it's not bad. Would I try to choose this? No, because I just said choose.
You said choose. I was
exactly.
I'm glad you called it out.
I caught it. Because I felt myself, and this is at the point of time where I know that hey, I have to fall back a little bit. Yeah. So, good drink. It's definitely giving like a smoothie type vibe, but you can taste the liquor to some extent. So just keep in mind you have 2 rums, Everclear and Bacardi, and then you have the vodka. So just be cautious when you drink this.
Yes.
I don't care if it's frozen, whatever. Be cautious. Overall, I will give this a 7. To heighten it, I will probably add a little bit of sugar in when you blend it, or like you said, simple syrup.
Or some simple syrup.
Yeah. So 7.
Okay, yeah. To be honest, I think we are in line there. So full disclosure, even though the recipe didn't call for it, I obviously added some additional ice. Not a lot to the blender. I wanted more of a smoothie feel to it. So I did add some ice. It is a little tart, so yes, I would give it a little sugar bump, not too much because again, sugar equals hangovers, so we just got to be cognizant of this. But this is basically a version of jungle juice. It's just like a smoothie version of a jungle juice. Now, mind you, jungle juice incorporates a lot more liquors. That part is true because right now we only have rum and 2 different types of rum and 1 type of vodka. Jungle juice traditionally includes everything under the kitchen sink.
And poured and dumped, no measurements.
Right, zero measurements. So with that being said, it's not quite the same equivalent, but it's giving me that vibe. I am gonna give it about a 7, like a 6.5 to a 7. I think that it's tasty enough. It will certainly send you where you need to go. Put it that way.
Go where? To the Lord? In the upper room?
The upper room with Jesus.
Or are you talking about like upstairs to your room in the hotel?
Well, I don't know. That decision is up to you based on how many of these you have, right? Because there's Everclear in here. And
I've had some stories about Everclear. I will not disclose it. I'll take it to my grave.
Yeah, I obviously doubled the recipe because it was between Brittany and I. So just one recipe called for like 2 ounces of Everclear. And I just feel like Everclear...
And it was everything included in this concoction that we made.
Right. So I just think Everclear in general is
But it's rum.
dangerous.
That's what's crazy. I've never thought rum was dangerous, more so just
I mean,
mellow
this says
and
green
sneaky.
alcohol. So is this
189
rum?
proof.
Yeah, it said...
Put that bottle back. God damn it.
It's grain alcohol, and it's 189 proof. So if you need to get sent somewhere, this will send you.
To the hospital?
I said sent somewhere. So you decide what destination you would like to go to.
Hope it's not the final destination.
Oh, Lord. 94.5% alcohol by volume. This is Satan's juice. There ain't nothing but Satan in the bottle, baby.
This must be Batman juice because there's a bat on Bacardi bottle.
Oh, well, there you go. I get a weird aftertaste, and I'm trying to figure out...
Probably the fruit. I don't know.
It could be. It could be.
It's just one of those things where it's...
Was that a normal orange I got or a blood orange?
It looks bloody.
All right, so that might be part of my problem. I may have picked up a blood orange, which tends to be a little bit more tart. Which, by the way, I like blood oranges. There's nothing wrong with that. But I just think in this particular recipe, it needed to be a standard orange, and I may have just picked up a blood orange. You know what I'm saying? Okay.
Yeah.
So, anywho, listen, people. Go ahead and try this recipe and let us know what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But before we sign off, out of all of the Girls Gone Wild / spring break drinks we have tried, what was your fave?
Or what was something that you thought you enjoyed and then didn't realize until the next day that it got you fucked up? What are your best memories? Girls Gone Wild. I like to know what the men gone wild as well. I just wanna know.
So, bottom line, you guys should try all of these recipes
with caution.
With caution. Proceed with caution. And then let us know what your thoughts are. And would you try these? And then also, listen, what are your spring break Girls Gone Wild type drinks go-to, okay? What are your go-tos? So that maybe we particularly like when we do our lives or whatever, maybe we'll try those.
Yeah, actually, matter of fact, go ahead and send that because we're going to try 1 or 2, depending upon how deadly it is.
Yes. If you watched our last live last week, we tried the Crowd Pleaser Crown Royal Blackberry
TikTok.
Along with a couple of the particular recipes. It gave Dimetap at best, but you know, you guys.
We called one of them Black of the Berry, Sweet of the Juice, and the other one was
I don't even remember.
Anyways, but let us know and also drop a comment letting us know which platform that we should start going live on. We typically go on live on Instagram,
right?
Sometimes on Facebook. We haven't really done YouTube and TikTok. We played around with it, but
we're so early on in the live game, so
yeah. But
usually we're going on IG. But let us know what platform you'd like to see us on.
Yeah. I mean, we live for this, so we just want to get,
no, real talk, let's just have a moment for this because this needs to be discussed. And particularly how our people gas certain new liquors that come out, okay? Y'all had me hype as hell for this Crown Royal Blackberry only to feel like I was 6 years old taking my Dimetap medicine, okay? I
it was horrible. Let me explain something to you. I didn't drink for 3 weeks straight. And then y'all had me try these viral ass, stanky, nasty drinks. And all I got was nothing but medical healing. I was so disappointed. When I tell you I had one of each and I was done. Like, what? It was not.
I didn't even have a buzz that night.
It was horrible, okay?
So,
I was off of nothing.
Listen, I'm gonna actually give y'all a quick recap. So the first one we tried was the Crown Royal Blackberry with the Canada Dry Blackberry.
That was the black of the berry, sweet of the juice.
Exactly, which you dubbed that.
Yeah.
That absolutely tasted like
Garbage.
Dimetapp.
The second one, it was BBL 1800. Let me explain why. Because it was blackberry, Crown Royal, blackberry, Canada Dry, was it? No. Oh.
The 1800.
No, what was the
Oh,
L's?
blackberry. So it was blackberry lemonade.
No, blueberry lemonade.
Lemonade.
Blackberry Crown Royal. The L was for limes, and the
Yes.
1800 was because of the tequila.
Yes, exactly.
It was on a BBL 1800,
and that was probably
still busted.
That was still the most
Right off the
That was the
table.
most doable of the two. And so, listen, y'all. We will try the trends, but I just want you to understand why we don't jump on the trends, because the trends is whack usually. Y'all be gassing this stuff, and then we go to try it, and it is some garbagian, okay?
Waste of
Straight
time.
trash.
I was so disappointed.
I even tried, listen, the other day, I even tried to put a little bit of the Crown Blackberry in a sparkling wine. It gave basic wine. It gave probably Jesus wouldn't even consume this, okay? Like, unimpressed.
So it was a knockoff of Jesus making wine.
Yeah, but it was like his
This
cousin
ain't got nothing
Jeffrey.
to do with
It was
Jesus.
like his cousin Jeffrey doing it, not him.
I don't think Jeffrey came out until Good Time.
Shh.
Okay.
Okay.
Anyways, but yeah, so it was garbage. Blackberry Crown, would not recommend. I mean, it's I would prefer the apple or the peach when it comes to Crown Royal.
Yes.
But yeah, I don't believe y'all. I don't trust y'all. I mean, I love y'all, but I don't trust y'all.
So that's why. So if anyone was wondering why when y'all send us the trending drinks, we don't try them right away, that's usually why.
Yeah, because ooh, girl, how you made this? I don't want to hear that.
Because,
No.
and I'm going to be honest, the way that y'all gassed that up, I expected at least a 7 level, and I got a straight 4. A 4 at best.
I've never been like, okay, when is this live over? Because I'm done. That's
The
how
conversation was good. The conversation that we had that night was really good, and that's what drove it.
No
But
Diddy.
There were a bunch of no Diddy jokes. Anyway, all right, guys. So listen. The point is, you need to hop on our lives. We do try out stuff, okay?
We're not afraid.
We're not afraid. Just know that we side-eye you sometimes when you slid certain recipes our way.
What you talking about, Willis?
Okay?
Yeah.
So we will be back. Again, like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what else you would like to see from us, whether it be in our normal episodes or whether it be in our live sessions. Okay? You know what I'm saying? But until then, I don't know, have a Scallywag, a Loretta, or what was the other one? OG Mad Dog Henny. Okay? And let us know what you think. Cheers, friends. Until next time.